Experiencing issues with screen recordings not saving on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max? The primary culprits are usually related to storage limitations, Photos app integration glitches, or incorrect settings. First, ensure you have sufficient free storage, ideally at least 10% of your device's total capacity. The Photos app, especially with iOS 18's AI categorization, requires ample space. If storage is tight, screen recordings may fail silently. Second, check your iCloud storage. If it's full, the free plan is only 5 gigabytes. Offload recordings or upgrade your iCloud plan. Finally, conflicting app permissions or beta features like Smart Save can also prevent saves. Outdated software versions have also been known to cause issues, so checking for updates is essential. To resolve screen recording save failures, start by restarting your iPhone to clear temporary caches. Then go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and enable Optimized Storage. This offloads media to iCloud when local space is low. Next, reset Photos app settings to resolve permission errors. Ensure that apps like TikTok or Zoom have the necessary microphone camera access. Also, disable low power mode, as it can interfere with background saves. Check for iOS updates. iOS 18.3 addressed many storage allocation errors. For persistent issues, clear the Photos app cache or consider backing up and factory resetting your device as a last resort. If problems persist, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store.